Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome back to the English Journey. Today we're helping you answer the most common question in the world. Tell me about yourself. I'm Anna.
And I'm Abel. I used to be so nervous when meeting new people, but today we're going to give you the keys to speak with total confidence.
Absolutely. Abel, why don't you show everyone what your introductions used to sound like before we practice together?
Oh no, do I have to? Okay, here goes. My name, I work, I like. Sorry, I forgot.
Don't worry, that's exactly how most people feel. The good news, by the end of today's episode, you'll sound completely different. You'll sound confident, natural, and friendly. So let's start with the most important part of any introduction. Abel, what do you think makes a great first impression?
What you say?
Actually, it's what you do before you even speak. The secret is your smile and your eye contact. When you meet someone, look at their eyes and smile. This tells them, I'm friendly, I'm confident, I'm happy to meet you. You don't need perfect English for this. A warm smile speaks every language.
Oh, that makes sense. So I don't need to worry so much about my words at first.
Exactly. Your body language is 50% of communication. Now let's talk about your first words. There are two common ways to start. The first one is casual and friendly. Listen, hi, I'm Anna. Simple, right? Now you try. Say hi, I'm, and then your name.
Hi, I'm Abel.
Perfect. Now the second way is a little more formal. We say, my name is Anna. This is great for business meetings, job interviews, or formal situations. Abel, can you try that one?
My name is Abel.
Excellent. So remember, hi, I'm is friendly and casual. My name is polite and formal. Both are correct. You choose based on the situation. Now let's learn the magic formula. I call it the three-step formula for self-introduction. Are you ready?
Yes, what is it?
Step 1, who you are. This means your name and where you're from. Step 2, what you do. This is your job or what you study. Step 3, what you love. Tell people your hobbies or interests. That's it. 3 simple steps. Let me show you. Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I love reading books and drinking coffee. See? Easy.
Wow, that was really smooth. So name, origin, job, and hobbies.
Exactly. Now, you don't have to say all of this every single time. Sometimes you just say your name. Sometimes you add more. But this formula gives you a structure, a plan. When you have a plan, you feel more confident. Abel, why don't you try? Use the 3-step formula.
Okay, let me try. Hi, I'm Abel. I'm from the United States. I'm a graphic designer. I love playing basketball and watching movies.
That was perfect. Did you hear how natural that sounded? Now, listeners, it's your turn. Pause the video if you need to. Say your introduction out loud using the 3-step formula. Who you are, what you do, what you love. Great job, everyone.
Anna, I have a question. You mentioned formal and informal situations. How do I know which words to use?
That's such an important question. Let's do a role play. First, imagine you're at a job interview or a business meeting. This is formal. Abel, I'll be the interviewer. Hello, welcome. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Abel Johnson. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm a graphic designer with 5 years of experience. I'm passionate about creative design and problem solving. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Wonderful. Notice the formal language. He said, my name is, not I'm. He said, good morning, not hey. He said, it's a pleasure to meet you. Very professional. Now let's try an informal situation. Imagine you're at a party or a casual meetup with friends. Abel, I'll start. Hey, I haven't seen you before. Are you new here?
Hey, yeah, I just moved here. I'm Abel. I'm a graphic designer, but honestly, I'm still figuring out the city. I love basketball, though, so if you know any good courts, let me know.
Perfect. That sounded so natural and friendly. Did everyone hear the difference? In the formal version, Abel was polite and structured. In the informal version, he was relaxed, he used yeah instead of yes, and he even made a friendly request at the end. Both are correct, just different situations.
I actually feel like I'm getting the hang of this.
You are. And speaking of actually, let's talk about the confidence hack. This is my favorite tip. When you want to sound more natural and give yourself a little more time to think, you can use filler words or phrases. Words like actually, to be honest, you know, or well. These are totally normal in native English conversation.
Really? I thought filler words were bad.
Not at all. Native speakers use them all the time. They make you sound more human, more natural. Let me give you examples. Instead of saying, I like coffee, you could say, actually, I really like coffee. Instead of, I'm a teacher, you could say, well, I'm a teacher, and to be honest, I love my job. Hear the difference?
Yes, it sounds less robotic and more like a real conversation.
Exactly, but don't overuse them. 1 or 2 fillers in your introduction is perfect. Too many and you sound unsure. Let's practice. Abel, introduce yourself again, but this time use 1 or 2 fillers.
Hi, I'm Abel. I'm from Boston, and actually, I just moved here last month. I'm a graphic designer, and to be honest, I'm really passionate about it. In my free time, I love playing basketball and exploring new coffee shops around the city. How about you?
Yes, that was absolutely perfect. Did you all hear that transformation? At the beginning of this episode, Abel was nervous and stumbling. Now he sounds confident, friendly, and totally natural. That's the power of practice and having a simple plan.
Thank you, Anna, and thank you to everyone listening. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets.
That's right. Your introduction is your chance to make a great first impression. Use the 3-step formula, smile, make eye contact, and speak from your heart. You've got this. Before we go, try this. Look in the mirror tonight and introduce yourself out loud. Practice makes progress. Thank you so much for joining us on the English journey today. I'm Anna.
And I'm Abel. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.